Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video to resolve the issue Outlook not sending emails in Windows 10. This could be with or without attachments. There is a detailed article written on this issue on the Windows Club. We would be sharing the link to this article in the description section. Let us follow the sequence of solutions so that we do not miss anything. The first option is to repair the Outlook profile. How do we do that? This is the Outlook profile. Here's how we can check it. Click on File. In the Info tab, click on Account Settings, and then from the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings once again. Select the profile in discussion and click on Repair, which is the second option in the list. Then hit Close. Restart your Outlook and it would build the new profile. The second option is to turn off the Work Offline mode. How do we do that? In the Send and Receive tab, the default one is Home. Go to the Send and Receive tab. You would notice this option which says Work Offline. If it is selected, you would notice the words Working Offline written in the ribbon at the bottom. You can switch it off by clicking on it once again and it will start connecting to the Exchange. After a few seconds, you would notice the message connected to Microsoft Exchange, which means it is pulling the emails from the server and also sending them. The third option is to increase the Outlook attachment size. Now, this has to be done through the registry editor. To open the registry editor, press Windows plus R and type the command regedit. When you hit enter, it will open the registry editor, which will look something like this. Depending upon your version of Office, go to the paths mentioned in this article, again mentioning that we would be sharing the link in the description section. You can simply copy paste the path to the bar on the top. Then on the right pane, you would notice an entry named Maximum Attachment Size. Double click on it. After double clicking on it, in the value data section, change the value to 25600 and click on OK. The fourth solution would be to check the mailbox settings. Where do we check these? Go to File. In the Info tab, click on Account Settings and then Account Settings once again. Double click on your profile and select More Settings. In the Advanced menu, you can verify if any setting is problematic, be it the Outlook data file setting or maybe anything. Then the next cause and simultaneously the solution would be to disable the surplus add-ins. Surplus add-ins may cause a lot of problem to your Outlook profile. So how would you delete them? Click on File, select Options. In the Outlook Options menu, go to the Add-ins tab. And the last section would be Manage. Make sure that it's selected at COM add-ins. Click on Go. Uncheck all the add-ins and click on OK. This disables all the add-ins associated with Microsoft Outlook and thus removing one major cause of the problem. The sixth solution is to turn off antivirus email integration, and for this you would have to contact your antivirus vendor because such integrations are initiated from the antivirus client itself. The seventh solution is to zip the files before sending. Let me show you how it is done. Let us say that we have this file. Right click on it, select send to, and then select compressed zipped folder. This will create a zipped folder and you could use this as an attachment. And the eighth option is unblock the blocked files. However, this method should be used only and only if the email is important and you are sure of the attachments associated with it. So what happens is that Outlook has blocked a few file types for some reasons. But if you are confident about the file, you can read through the associated article which is linked in the original one on how you could unblock such attachments. Isn't this easy? If it doesn't resolve your problem, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel.